Is your 2022-2023 Jeep Grand Wagoneer key fob signal weak or unresponsive? The most likely culprit is a dead or dying CR2032 battery. Replacing it yourself is a simple and cost-effective fix, saving you time and money compared to a dealership visit. This video will guide you through each step. The Jeep Grand Wagoneer key fob uses a CR32 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. This is the CR2032 battery, a 3-volt lithium coin cell that's non-rechargeable. It powers the fob's radio frequency signals for locking, unlocking, and starting your vehicle. Expect a lifespan of 1 to 2 years, but extreme temperatures can shorten it. You can find these batteries at most electronics stores or online for around $1 to $2. For this DIY project, you'll need a new CR2032 battery, which is a standard 3-volt coin cell. You'll also need either a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool to carefully open the fob. A butter knife can work in a pinch, but avoid metal to prevent damage. Optionally, a small Phillips screwdriver might be needed for any internal clips. Make sure you work in a well-lit area and be gentle to avoid damaging the fob's electronics. Locate the seam on the key fob's edge, usually under a rubber backing. Gently insert your pry tool or screwdriver into the seam to separate the two halves. Be careful not to crack the plastic. A slow and steady approach is key here. Once the key fob is open, you'll see the CR2032 battery inside. Note its orientation. The positive side, marked with a plus, usually faces the circuit board. Carefully pop out the old battery to remove it. Take the new CR2032 battery and insert it with the positive side facing up toward the circuit board. Make sure it's positioned correctly before pressing it in. Ensure the battery is fully seated in the holder for a secure electrical connection. A loose battery can cause poor functionality or signal issues. Snap the two halves of the key fob back together, ensuring they are firmly closed. Test the fob by pressing the buttons. The lights should flash and the vehicle should respond. Try locking, unlocking, and the panic button. If the key fob doesn't work after replacing the battery, you might need to reprogram it. Consult your Jeep Grand Wagoneer owner's manual for specific instructions. This often involves cycling the ignition in a particular sequence. Always dispose of old batteries responsibly according to environmental guidelines to prevent harm to the ecosystem. For longer battery life, avoid leaving your fob in extreme temperatures, such as sub-zero conditions, which can drain the CR2032 battery faster. Use quality brands like Duracell or Energizer for 1 to 2 years of reliable performance. Keep in mind that future key fobs are trending towards rechargeable batteries and wireless charging. By 2030, up to 50% of OEM key fobs may incorporate these features, potentially eliminating manual battery swaps in upcoming Jeep models.